Hi everyone, time for weather in general with weather news with J7409. The name you know, the news you can use. If you're into the weather like all of the rest of us over here, please subscribe, click that bell, check off all or email notifications to ensure you get the latest in weather news, forecasts, watches, warnings, and any severe weather that may be headed your way. I haven't forgot my sky watchers. Hey, I love you guys, and we're looking at the cloud cover map today. As you can see, this is around 8 a.m. this morning, so we'll go to 11 a.m. 2 p.m. You guys know the routine. If it's blue, it's fair. If it's dark, it's cloudy. 5 p.m. this afternoon. What will tonight be like? Let's check it out. By 8 p.m. tonight, well, everybody up north and Jaylene, looks like you're going to have good skies for tonight around 8 p.m. up in Ohio, 11 p.m., 2 a.m., and 5 a.m. So this is a check of the skies with the cloud cover going on for today and tonight for everyone who watches the sky. Here we have the NAM map. This is for the next 3.5 days, what it really should be like, folks, in these areas. Now, so you're not misconceived on this map, when I turn it on, it starts at midnight tonight and runs through the next 3.5 days. Okay, so in other words, right now these showers in the panhandle of Texas have already happened. So there's your timestamps right up in here. You can see that it is set for midnight, hour 1 for today as it moves on through. So we'll turn it on. This is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits and what's happening. Strong to severe thunderstorms forecast to move across the southern plains toward the lower Mississippi Valley through the weekend into early next week. Now, a weak upper level trough is emerging out of the southern plains into the central plains today. Now, this is going to intersect with western Gulf moisture, and it's going to draw mid-level dry air out of the Mexican plateau. Remember how I told you that lows pull and highs push? That's what it's all about. Now, the combination of these elements will aid to the potential for thunderstorms today across Texas and to the lower Mississippi River Valley, and some of which are likely to be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and yes, a great potential for some tornadoes. Please be careful, folks. Now, the trough will lift into the Ohio River Valley by tomorrow, and then it should merge with an upper level energy from the strong Pacific jet stream over the Great Lakes. Now, this is going to spark some fast-moving showers and thunderstorms in that region. Eventually, the merged system will progress eastward and provide moderate showers for New York, Pennsylvania, and into New England, with some wintry mix possible early Monday morning across northeast New England. Now, we've got a strong cyclone across the Gulf of Alaska. It's going to produce and continued active weather pattern across the Pacific Northwest. A small but strong surface low will track quickly toward Vancouver Island later today, bringing unsettled showers from coastal Northern California to Washington State, with some higher elevation snow in the peaks of the Cascades and into the northern Rockies of Idaho and western Montana. The trailing frontal zone will then linger with very little north-southward drift, though the remainder or through the remainder of the weekend, right on through Monday. Now, given the strength of this front, winds are going to bring higher moisture into southern Oregon and northern California, with the potential of 4 to 8 inches of rain in the temperate rainforest of the coastal ranges. Now, it's likely to increase streams potentially to bank full. Now, flood watches and advisories have been posted for much of Oregon and Idaho, and the plume of moisture will then bleed over into the higher elevations of the Sawtooth, northern Rockies, and western Montana and northwest Wyoming, with the potential for producing higher elevation snows. Once again, this is higher elevation snows. Now, another southern stream upper level trough, it's going to advance out of the southern U.S. and northern New Mexico tomorrow. And with the lingering moisture instability left in place across East Texas and into lower Mississippi River Valley areas, it's going to set off another bout of thunderstorms tomorrow. Now, there's going to be a threat tomorrow for severe weather again, and given the placement of heavy rainfall over areas affected today, there is that increased threat for flooding and possibly some flash flooding at times. This activity will develop a surface low pressure that will continue to focus thunderstorms but will advance eastward across the Mississippi River area toward the end of the forecast period, and with it shifting the heavy rainfall thunderstorms into the lower Ohio and Tennessee River valleys and southern Gulf states. So, that's what it's looking like, folks. Our weather, it's springtime. These storms are going to happen. We finally got springtime stuff going on. We wish it was all sun and warm temps, but we do have these severe weather outbursts that are going to take place, so be aware. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, everybody. Thank you for everything you do for me. Peace, love, and kindness to all. Thanks for watching.